As StepLead, we offer solutions for producing high-quality bottled water with a minimal environmental and cost impact. Sustainable bottled water production requires the utmost attention to hygienic conditions and product quality, as well as optimization of production output to achieve maximum appeal at minimum cost. For bottled water, appealing bottle design and product quality are key factors to win on the shelves, as consumers demand unique bottle shapes with a premium feel and look that exceeds the quality of tap water. At the same time, bottle lightweighting is needed to reduce the environmental impact and cost of bottling operations. Our bottle design expertise helps to find the perfect balance between appeal and material use. We are committed to offering our expertise and services to improve and support your water line performance. Whether you require a new line, want to make improvements to your installed base, or want upgrades or replacements, we can provide the solutions needed to expand the potential of your water production. Discover our complete solutions for still and sparkling water and see how we can help you strengthen your water line for optimal performance and quality while lowering your total cost of ownership. Water lines. Success in water beverage production requires focus on maximum output and efficiency, with commitment to hygiene, food safety and cost optimization. Whether you're producing still or sparkling water, our unmatched expertise helps you achieve more with extensive technical knowledge and packaging capabilities. With over 24 years of experience in designing and implementing customized complete headline solutions for water, we can help you reach your production targets. Over the years, we have significantly reduced the weight of water bottles while retaining their durability and expanding design opportunities. One partner for all your needs. A complete water line solution from Sidel leverages our knowledge of the entire water bottling process, from minimizing waste of resources, to ensuring that your bottle is durable and attractive to consumers. With everything centered around one supplier, you get wide-ranging expertise, line equipment and ongoing services. This ensures high quality and efficiency from packaging to equipment, fast ramp up and beyond. StepLead is able to fill your liquid products with the utmost precision and efficiency while handling the products smoothly and gently. Regardless of product type, from still water to carbonated soft drinks, beer, juice, isotonics, tea or liquid dairy products, we offer robust and reliable filling solutions along with extensive know-how and experience in filling. Bottled water filling, cold filling, hot filling, aseptic filling, distributed in cold chain or ambient temperatures. For anything interests you, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp 86136-7018-1318, email johnmalvip@gmail.com, website www.steplead.com, facility 2.b web link